One of the secrets to creating a memorable dessert menu is finding ways to build layers of flavor that complement and elevate each other. It's also important to consider texture because, let's be honest, no one wants a dessert that's boring or one-dimensional. Today, I'm excited to show you how easy it is to use Itaberco flavor compounds and Itaberco pastry mixes to make a twist on an American classic. We're making Caramel Macchiato Banana Pudding. The foundation layer of my dessert is a coffee-flavored butter cookie made by adding Itaberco's Espresso Flavor Compound to Itaberco's butter cookie recipe. The earthiness and slight nuttiness of the espresso flavor will pair nicely with my other flavors, and the texture of the cookie will still allow it to soften slightly in the finished product. Typically, banana pudding is made with vanilla pudding and slices of fresh banana, which can easily brown. So, flavoring the custard as banana eliminates this possibility and creates consistency with each bite. I'm folding Itaberco's banana flavor compound into my rich and indulgent pastry cream made by using Itaberco's pastry cream mix. Another element traditionally used in most banana pudding recipes is sweetened condensed milk. I'm making a little riff on that by folding in Itaberco's Dulce de Leche flavor compound into some airy mousse. This gives a nod to the sweetened condensed milk, while the caramel notes of Dulce de Leche add a level of complexity to our dessert. To assemble the banana pudding, I start with a layer of the banana pastry cream. This sets the foundation for our dessert, since it's the star player, but it's also necessary to soften the cookie, which I place on top. Then I repeat the process with another layer of pastry cream and another cookie. Of course, I could do this as a larger family-style option as well. Finally, I top the second cookie with a decorative layer of Dulce de Leche mousse. Decorating the top with a few cookie crumbs adds a nice pop of texture. Lastly, a bruleed banana slice identifies this as a banana dessert, with a hint to the flavors they expect to enjoy. Roasted notes from the espresso and caramelized notes from the Dulce de Leche. The Itaberco flavor compounds allowed me to easily create a dessert with complementing layers of flavor without a lot of extra steps or techniques. A nostalgic dessert with flavor dimension that's not overwhelming to prepare? That's an ingredient for a sweet life.